REDMOND Single Cup Coffee Maker Brewer, compatible with single-serve pot and grounds, 1000 W, 6 to 14 Oz brew sizes, 90s fast brewing 1-button operation, black, CM001. Fits anywhere. REDMOND Personal Single-Serve Coffee Maker is petite, compact size, takes up minimal room and super lightweight, 1.89 pounds, which allows you to carry it for travel or fit into the tightest nooks and crannies in your office counter. Perfect for small spaces. 90 seconds fast brewing. This single-cup coffee maker features fast brewing time. Coffee comes out hot up to 169 degrees Fahrenheit in just 90 seconds. This will save your time to savor a hot, smooth, fresh brew coffee before you start the day. 14 Oz large capacity. This tiny coffee brewer has large water tank from 6 Oz to 14 Oz. Water receiving place could be meets the needs of different heights and capacities very well, such as travel mug or coffee cups. 1-button operation and easy to clean. 1-touch power button. Press to start brewing and auto off when done. Simplify your morning routine. Adding water into the reservoir and press the button to let the machine clean itself. The basket can be easily rinsed with running water. Safety and warm tips. REDMOND Personal Single Cup Coffee Maker has overheating protection features. Be sure to add water into water tank before press the button to start to brew coffee. 1-year warranty. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question with this single-serve coffee maker. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.